Oh, bless me. Okay. We are going to do a science experiment. Well, you're going to watch me do a science experiment. You're going to need the paper that says, how do landforms form? Science Thursday. Now, Wednesday, y'all watched a video over different types of natural disasters, and volcanoes was one of them. And so we are going to be making a erupting volcano, and we're going to look at how it affects the earth. Okay, so I have a paper plate, I have some vinegar, I have some baking soda, I have some modeling clay, and I have some food coloring. Okay, so what the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my vinegar and I'm going to add some food coloring to it. So, and I think I'm going to do, blue. Okay. I'm just going to put just about like 3 dots, just so it just makes the vinegar a color. And then I'm going to stir it. I'm just going to stir it in. Okay, so it's just blue. Okay, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my baking soda. And I'm going to take this little cap and I'm going to put some baking soda in this cap. So I'm going to do it and I'm going to make sure it's really packed in there. Okay. And then this is going to be my volcano. And so I have this, what we call a pipette or an eyedropper. And I'm going to squeeze, if I stick it in my vinegar and I squeeze the top of it, it gets vinegar inside. And then I'm going to squeeze it on top of the baking soda. And so it may need some more. Okay, so that's kind of where my volcano erupted. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my pencil and I'm just going to kind of trace around my volcano, or the lava that kind of overflowed. Okay, and then I'm going to remove the cap. And I'm going to get the vinegar out. I'm going to use my modeling clay. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to try to press it down to make it look as close as to what I drew. Okay, so go ahead and in my first box where it says first lava flow, I'm just going to draw that shape. Kind of like the best I can. Okay. And then, actually, I'm going to pause real quick because I'm going to go get a new lid to put my baking soda. Okay, I found a different lid. I think we're going to use this one. I think this will make it do better. So I'm going to fill it in with baking soda. Okay, it's going to be a lot. So let's see. I'm going to have to put a lot of baking soda and a lot of vinegar. What if I just pour some on there? There we go. Let's see. There. I think that's better. Okay. So now I'm going to draw around this one. This going to be like two separate ones. Okay. I don't know if I'm supposed to. I'm going to clean this up or dry my plate, and then I'm going to use a different color of the clay. And then I'm going to try to see what's here. So think of my plate as the earth, and then the clay is the lava that's sticking to the earth once the volcano erupts. You told me to use Play-Doh, but I didn't have any. Probably it's better. Okay, so now we're going to draw that picture on the second lava flow. So, kind of something like that. Just try to draw it the best you can. Okay, now I'm going to stick this back on here. I'm going to add a little bit more of some, ooh, that was way too much. Okay. Just gonna have to pour some water on there. I think it's easier when I pour it. Okay, so see how the lava is just kind of moving? So here's the third lava flow. I'm going to use green. Stick it right there. Right there. Okay. So that's the third. So this is like if this volcano had erupted 3 times already. So we're going to draw this picture now. So it's getting kind of bigger. Actually, I think I'm only supposed to draw with the green part.
So that would only really be like this. Okay. I just need to draw where I put the green Play-Doh. Okay. So let's do one more time. And it still has a lot of vinegar, so I mean a lot of baking soda, so I'm not going to put any more. So let's go over here, and then we had use blue. Okay, so for some reason it stopped recording, but this is what I put with the blue. So this is what, okay, something happened, but we got it back going. So this is what it should look like after the 4th lava flow. Okay, so you should have these drawn. Okay, so now it wants us to know, do volcanoes change the surface quickly or slowly? What do you think? I want you to think about what we just saw. How my plate is the earth, and then I did, if this volcano erupted 4 times, look what it did. Look at the lava that came. So was it quickly or slowly? Do volcanoes change Earth's surface quickly or slowly? That is the question that I want you to answer, and then you could submit it in.